chain reaction. I'm ringing my bell, I'm hanging on the ropes. Been trying my best to show you some compassion. Give you an inch, I'm slipping down the slope. I wish you would stop yourself from calling me every time you need validation for the qualities you wanna hide. Maybe I'm a villain, but I find it kind of thrilling when you cry. Cry. Crocodile tears running down your face. Oh, what a man will say just to get his way. Always crying a wolf, so sad to say. I don't really wanna hear it. I don't really wanna hear it from you, babe. I run like a rabbit when you need a distraction. You'll be the snare for me to hang my head. You find it fun, but I don't see the attraction. I'm sick of it now, I'm gonna kill it dead. I wish you would stop yourself from calling me every time you need validation for the qualities you wanna hide. Maybe I'm a villain, but I find it kind of thrilling when you cry. Cry. Crocodile tears running down your face. Oh, what a man will say just to get his way. Always crying a wolf, so sad to say. I don't really wanna hear it. I don't really wanna hear it from you, babe. Yeah, yeah. I'm tired of talking about it. You'll learn to live without it. Yeah, yeah. So hush your mouth until you do. Crocodile tears running down your face. Oh, what a man will say just to get his way. Always crying a wolf, so sad to say. I don't really wanna hear it. I don't really wanna hear it from you, babe. Always crying. I don't really wanna hear it. I don't really wanna hear it from you, babe.
Hello. Hi, Devin. Hi, Josh. Hi, everyone. How's it going? I'm here to play Clone Hero. Woo. I'm excited. Tonight on Clone Hero, well, I don't know exactly what I'm gonna do the whole time, but I think I said this on stream last night. I don't remember. But I downloaded a bunch of Mario Kart tracks to play on Clone Hero, and the charts are so good. So I'm excited. I've already played them, but I'm gonna play them again on stream because they're fun. Hi, Baron. How are you? How are you, Baron? Anyways, how is everybody? You have McDonald's. What did you get from McDonald's? What's your McDonald's main, Baron? My mom gave me the look of like, really? You didn't hear the thunderstorm last night? I definitely have slept through some thunderstorms. I feel like I used to be a pretty deep sleeper and like not much would wake me up. But I feel like now I'm a really light sleeper. Like I feel like I'm always getting woken up by stuff now. I've started sleeping with earplugs because otherwise like I always get woken up. A Big Mac combo with 40 piece. There's a 40 piece? That's so many nuggets. That is a lot of nuggets, but I love that for you. But yeah, I've slept through some really loud noises in the past. Thunderstorms. There was lots of times when I lived at home with my family that like I would sleep through a thunderstorm or a really big storm or a windstorm or something, and they would all be like talking about it the next day. They'd be like, "Oh my god, did you guys hear the thunderstorm?" And I'd be like, "No, not at all." One day in college, my roommate had to wake me up at 2 a.m. for the fire alarm. Oh yeah, that's true. I do remember the fire alarm story. I do remember the fire alarm story. So yeah, maybe you are just a really deep sleeper. Or maybe the fire alarm just really wasn't loud enough. I feel like if the fire alarm is not waking people up, it's not doing its job. What word do you hate, Baron? What word do you hate? What's a triggering word? Fire alarm? Fire? Alarm? Oh, fire? That's the one? Do you have a bad experience with fire, Baron? Fire alarm, specifically? The fire alarm is loud, especially when I'm awake. Well, that's fair then. It's gone off. It's never gone off in this building aside from just like testing. You just don't like them. Oh, because you don't like the noise. I mean, they're loud, so that's fair. The fire alarms in my building, they also flash. So like when the fire, because like for accessibility, like for if anyone can't hear the fire alarm because they're deaf or hard of hearing or something, they also flash. So like when it goes off, it's like white light. But yeah, I've only ever seen it and heard it go off because of testing. Flashing in elementary school always pissed me off. Did your fire alarm go off a lot in elementary school, Baron? Anyways, I hope everyone's having a great day today. I worked today, of course. Today is the last stream before I don't stream for like, I don't know how long. Because my parents are gonna be here next week. So who knows? I don't know if I'll end up streaming while they're here. Especially in high school because kids want to be dickheads. Oh, like people like pulling the fire alarms? Yeah. That happens a little bit in this building. People don't grow out of it after high school. I can tell you that much. They're just as dumb. I actually don't know if anybody has pulled the fire alarm in this building. I feel like maybe no. I feel like there's been minor fires and smoke that have triggered it. But yeah, anyways. Yeah. I don't think I have anything else super exciting to report from today. I worked and that was fun. It was a nice day today. I went for a walk. Again, so that was nice. I'm trying to go for walks every day, and I've actually gone the last couple days, so that was good. Where's Matt? Matt is unfortunately at work today, so we might not see him. Matt usually works from home, so he just hangs out in here while he's working, but he went into the office today, so he probably won't be here. Got the Has Been Hotel's soundtrack song stuck in my partner's head. I don't know if I know that song, but hi Dinger, how are you? Welcome. I don't know if I know that one. Yeah, Matt's at work. But it's okay. He said he might come and lurk and listen to the Clone Hero songs in the background. So we might see him a little bit later. Or he might have lunch soon and then we might see him. Hard to say. But he's doing his very important work. So, yeah. You love Has Been Hotel. I don't know it. Should I know it? Or maybe I know it, but I just don't know that I know it, you know? Yeah. Very important work. Yeah, it is very important. You guys want to know something I've been getting into? So no Kirby. No Kirby tonight, unfortunately. Honestly, also hi Spicy. Last night, yeah, he's refining Cold Arbor. Last night, after I didn't finish that Kirby level, honestly, for a moment, I was like, should I just do it tomorrow night instead of doing Clone Hero? Like, I was like, should I just, like, run it back and try it again immediately? There's two reasons why I didn't. First of all, because we would have had to grind so many more coins before trying it again, and I didn't think I could do that all in one night. Second of all, because Matt's working. And I know that if I was gonna finish it, Matt would want to be here to see it. So, unfortunately, it'll have to wait until a couple weeks from now after my parents are here. But I'm gonna play Clone Hero, and I have some fun charts downloaded. I describe it as the R-rated Disney princess musical. Oh, interesting. I don't think I've heard of it at all. It would just be a fishing stream, though. Yeah, if I was just gonna grind coins, it would just be a fishing stream. I mean, to be honest, if I get sick of Clone Hero, I could always jump on and just start fishing on Kirby. Like, I have a bunch of Mario Kart 8 charts downloaded for Clone Hero, and after that, like, I don't really care to play Clone Hero all night. I literally just want to play through them. So, could always hop on Kirby and do some fishing after this. It might not be a bad idea to start getting myself ahead for doing it again. But anyways, yeah. Could always try it. Could go for it. Yeah. My parents arrived in my province today. They're in a different city and they're driving up to me on Friday. So that's exciting. They're hanging out and doing some stuff for a couple days and then they're coming to me. And then I won't be here for a whole week. I hope you guys don't forget about me while I'm gone. But I understand, if you will. Out of sight, out of mind, you know? I'll make sure I keep saying hi in the Discord. Oh my gosh, you know what I'm terrified for? You know what I literally couldn't stop thinking about all day? Switch pre-orders. I'm so scared. I don't trust this. Josh, be grateful that you live where you live. Like, imagine having the Switch pre-ordered for weeks already, and it was so easy to do. Like, I'm actually getting scared. I think it's gonna be a shit show here. Like, genuinely. I'm actually scared. Crap, that oh, damn. I meant to call my GameStop and ask them if they're planning on doing a midnight release for the Switch. Because so here's the situation for Switch pre-orders, in case anyone wants to know. GameStop is doing midnight releases in some stores. You can still get it release day from so many retailers here. I don't know if that'll happen. I'm kind of scared. Like, I feel like all the pre-orders are gonna sell out. And like in the States, people are literally like camping outside their GameStops to go and pre-order it in person tomorrow. And I can't tell how much of that is just like hype and paranoia versus how much of it is like, oh my god, like I should actually be scared that I'm not gonna secure a pre-order for this. Like, it seems scary to me. I don't like it. GameStop is doing midnight releases in some stores, but I don't know if mine's doing it. I could also get it. I have 3 options of where I could get it: Walmart, Best Buy, GameStop. My preference is GameStop. My second preference is Best Buy. My third preference is Walmart. But I'm so confused. Like, if I go on during the pre-order, if it's gonna allow me to order it for pickup in store. It should, right? I'm scared that the only way to pre-order it for pickup is to go there for some reason, even though I don't think that's true. I just feel like I have zero information. I know nothing. Sorry that stuff is being impacted because of us down here. It's okay. It's okay. I mean, all it really did was impact the pre-order date, which is now tomorrow. The only difference is that I would have gone through all of this like a couple weeks ago instead of now. Pre-order just means you can order it but won't receive it till the actual release date, right? Yeah. So like, I'm gonna try to pre-order it so that I have it secured to go and get it on the release day. But from what I've been seeing online, like, let me see if I can find any pictures of this. I was seeing pictures on Twitter, and I think they're oh no,
I was seeing
why am I
pictures
hearing
on
myself?
Twitter.
Shut up. And I think
Stop,
they're
stop,
oh
stop,
no,
stop.
why am I
Pictures
hearing oh my god, I couldn't find my mouse. Sorry, I couldn't find my cursor to mute myself. Ew. Why do I even have my stream open? Get out. Anyway, what I was gonna say is that I was on Twitter earlier, and some GameStops have been posting their quantities on the window, like on a poster. And a lot of places seem to be getting more of the bundle than just the console itself, which I want to buy just the console and then have the what's it called? Have the game separate. If the pre-order falls through, you'd need to go to a physical store or order it online. Well, the pre-order wouldn't fall through. Like, I don't know what would be a case where it would fall through. Like, because they would only put up as many pre-orders as if, like, how many they're gonna get. Oh, you're saying if it would fall through. Oh, sorry, I misunderstood. I thought you meant if it falls through as in if I order it and then somehow don't get it. Yes. If I can't pre-order, I would have to try to go find it in person. But I don't know if they're gonna fully sell out from the pre-orders is the problem. See, this is what I'm seeing online. This is an example. Like, GameStops have started putting this on their window about how many they'll have. This place has 20 base units and 44 bundles. Like, that doesn't seem like a lot. I don't know where this is. This person lives 45 minutes from Boston. And they only got 10 and 24. It's not a lot. That's why I'm scared. Like, that's why I'm terrified. But then this place has 45 and 82. And this is just north of Seattle. So, like, I don't know, Josh, it's fucked. These are all in the States, so I don't know what it's gonna be like in Canada. I'm banking on the fact that I live in a small city, kind of in the middle of nowhere. I am in a small town. So, like, I think living in a small town can either, like, benefit or hurt you. Because there's less people to fight them for, but there's also less stock. Like, I'm just hoping that nobody here wants it. Which is probably not true. Everybody stay away. Leave it for me. But I'm just confused how the pre-ordering for GameStop works. This place has 10 and 23. These are GameStops only though. Like, it's also going to be available to pre-order from Amazon and other places. What's the demographics of your town? Because if it's full of boomers, you should be fine. I feel like the problem is I live at a university. So it's like a university city, but also school is over today and people are going to be leaving. So there's not as many students here as there was probably this time last week. I don't know. It's all scary, but like my question is, if I pre-order it online, can I then pick it up in person, or does pre-ordering it online automatically mean that it's getting shipped to me? Because I don't want it delivered. I want to go get it so I can make sure that I have it on release day. Like, look at this. This is... Show me the pages that I was on earlier. We pre-order for pickup so surely. I would think. I just wish I had more information. I need someone to break down exactly how it's gonna go. Like, actually. Here they are. See, they say unavailable. And then the other thing that's scaring me too is that I don't see Mario Kart World just on its own. Like, are you guys even selling the game? Should I just go for the bundle? But I want the physical game. Mario Kart World. See, if you search Mario Kart World, the only thing that comes up is the bundle. Which is also scaring me. Versus, like, clearly they have some other Switch 2 games on here, so why would they not show Mario Kart World if it exists? I don't know. It's all scary. I don't like this. I don't like it. I've never had to be invested in getting a console on launch day before. I've literally never done this. And I've never tried to. Anyways. We'll see, I guess. But these pre-orders are going at 9 a.m. tomorrow is when they start. But here's the thing. So I have two options, right? Best Buy pre-orders go on sale at 6 a.m. for me tomorrow. GameStop pre-orders are at 9 a.m. Do I get up and try the Best Buy one first at 6 a.m.? And then if I don't get it in that, then have GameStop be my backup. Because the thing is, Best Buy doesn't have midnight releases, I don't think. Although I saw that in the States, some of them do. So I don't know if they're gonna do it here. There's just no information. Canada is left out of everything. Like, I feel like so much of the information I found has been from America, not from here. Like, I need the Canada specifics. Please. Anyways, I've been worried about this literally all day. Also, people are pissed. Wait, Josh, can I ask, when you guys pre-ordered it, how much did you have to pay up front, if any? Or did you pay for it all already? Because I've been seeing some drama online, which 50. Okay, listen to this. Listen to this. In the States, deposit for like upfront payment for the Switch is 50. Here, guess fucking how much it is. 300. 300 is how much you have to pay upfront. However, I don't care. Some people on Twitter were very mad about this, and people were being like, oh my god, like, that's way too much for a deposit. When I'm like, guys, respectfully, you're gonna pay for it anyway. Like, in fact, I would rather pay it all up front. Then it's like, on the day of, I go get a free Switch. Because I already paid for it 2 months ago. That's 300 that would be off the total, though. Yeah. So, like, you'd pay 300, and then you would go pick it up and pay the rest. But yeah, like, why are people so mad? Like, I don't care. I was expecting to have to pay, like, quite a lot. Like, you're paying the same amount either way. I don't know what difference it makes for people. I don't know. Apparently it makes a difference for some people, but I think a lot of people just want to find reasons to be haters. So I wasn't mad. If they gave me an option to just pay it all up front, I would do it. Just so it's done and out of the way. But whatever. Got my Switch 1 on release day, my claim to fame. That's cool, Josh. I didn't even do that. My Switch I got like a month later. But anyways, I just hope it'll be okay. Imagine if I can't get one. Like, I'll definitely survive. But like, I've been so looking forward to it. I'm literally taking the day off work. So we'll see. We'll see. You guys will have to wish me luck. I originally thought that the Best Buy pre-sales were gonna go on sale tonight at midnight Eastern, which would have been an hour from now. And I was gonna do it on stream content, try to get in the Switch queue and buy a Switch on stream. But then they came out and said it's 6 a.m. So what the heck? I don't want to get up at 6. Well, okay, it's 9 for Eastern. It's 6 here. Nobody thinks of us on the West Coast. Nobody thinks about how when they do these things, they're making us get up at ungodly hours. 6 a.m. is really not ungodly hours, but it's ungodly hours for me. I wake up at 8 at the earliest. Anyway, we'll see. We'll see. I should have told my parents to drive up here a day early and made them go wait in line at my GameStop. I really doubt. If I went up to my GameStop right now, I guarantee there's no one there. Like, I don't think people are hanging out there. The other option, I guess, is I could call them. But they don't open until an hour after the online pre-orders. So, okay, I don't understand how this works, because then if they're taking pre-orders in person, but then they're also taking pre-orders online, how does that work? This is not my thing to worry about. This is for the workers to worry about. But like, what happens if like pre-orders sell out online because everybody buys for pickup? Then the people that are waiting in person at the store, they don't get anything if they wait? Like, I don't know. I'm so confused how this works. Someone who works at GameStop, get in here. I have questions. Yeah, I'm gonna IRL stream to GameStop probably. I read your message as I was talking. Yeah, I'm gonna IRL stream to GameStop right now. I wish they were still open. I totally meant to call them after I was done work, and then I got distracted going for my walk. Damn. Because I wanted to call them anyway and figure out. Probably have reserve stock for in-store purchases and set aside stock for pre-orders. Yeah, maybe. You'd think. The thing is, if this was happening any other day, I would go in person and pre-order it. Like, I would literally just go wait outside. But tomorrow is like one of the like dozen days in the year that I actually have to be at work all day because we're doing room inspections. So otherwise I would actually go. But unfortunately, like on any other day, unless I had meetings or whatever, it wouldn't be the end of the world for me to just like leave for like an hour and go do it. But tomorrow I actually have to be here all day, and I'm gonna be supervising 6 people actively. So I can't just like dip. Be like, sorry guys, gotta go to GameStop real quick. Although I am gonna be trying to get in the pre-order online at the beginning of the workday. I'm gonna have to like give them some random stuff to do for like 10 minutes while I do it. And I know they're gonna have some fucking stupid queue system type shit. So, annoying. But anyway, we'll see. I just hope for the best. I'm trying to remember when I got my Switch. When I bought my Switch, I didn't pre-order it because I didn't get it on release day. But I'm trying to remember like how I got it. I think I just literally rolled up to the store and bought it. I don't think I like placed an online order or anything. I think I just walked in because it was like a month that it had been out at that point. But I think I pre-ordered a copy of... Oh, I don't know. Because I pre-ordered a copy of Mario Kart. Because I'm pretty sure I got it... I'm trying to remember when I got my Switch. I don't remember if I bought it for Mario Kart release or Mario Odyssey release. Because Mario Kart release was in like May, I think. And Mario Odyssey release was in October. I actually don't remember when I bought my Switch. So I probably pre-ordered whatever game I got. I don't know. Anyway, I'm stressed. I'm really worried. I just want to secure it. I don't know what to do if I don't. Because I also can't, like, leave and go to another city. Wait a fucking minute. They're up at Costco. Why don't I have a Costco membership? Apparently they're already up at Costco. Oh my god, getting it at Costco would be so fun. Wait, I wonder? I don't have a Costco membership. And I'm pretty sure it would make me, like, put in my membership online. Oh, but it also says... That would not be fun. I'm getting it from Costco? You don't think? I can't get one. I don't have a membership. I think they don't have it for order, like, pickup, though. They only have it for delivery. And I don't trust delivery. Like, I know that if you do this, if you order this stuff for delivery, it's meant to come... My parents do have a membership, Spicy. They do, actually. But I don't want to get it delivered. I worry that things won't come on the day of. Like, I've ordered so many... Pre-ordered so many albums. And they never come on release day. So, like, I don't trust it. I know it's a little different, but I don't trust it. I can already see it. All the people pre-ordering from Costco are moms for their kids who don't know what a DS is. Literally. I would only pre-order from Costco if it was cheaper, but it's not, obviously. Wow, that's crazy. That's crazy. Anyways, I don't know. I miss using a DS. I mean, you could still use one if you have it still. They didn't, like, brick them or anything. Anyways. Well, wish me luck, everybody. Hopefully it'll be a smooth experience. I don't really want to get up at 6 a.m. But that's my bad for forgetting to call them. And ask if they're doing a midnight. Why don't they just say which stores are doing midnight releases? Like, just tell us. But then, the other option is, do I risk just waiting and going after work tomorrow? Or, do you think they would let me do it over the phone? Like, there's so many options here. Like, should I just go after work and see if they still have it? That I can just pre-order in person? I hate it here. I hate this. It's so complicated. What time do they open? They open at 10. But I wouldn't be able to go until, like, 5 earliest. Because that's when I'm gonna be done work. So, it would be, like, the whole day. Lunch break? I mean, yeah. I could go at lunch. But I wouldn't have time to eat then. If I wanted to forfeit my entire lunch to go do this. Because I don't have a car either. So I have to walk. Unless someone could drive me. But I don't think anybody that I work with... Nobody that's going to be at work tomorrow has a car. If I had a car, I would actually so do that. If I had a car, I would just drive up there. Oh, this is so stressful. I should have called them and figured out what was going on. They're probably getting like a million calls about it. Baron, I'm trying to get a Switch 2. And I just want to know what's going on. Anyways. We'll figure it out. Hi, Falafel. You weren't quite first, actually, but nice try. How's it going, Falafel? Falafel can buy you one. I don't know about that. They're pretty expensive. I have the money. I just need to secure it. Buy what? Falafel, I'm trying to pre-order a Switch 2 tomorrow. And I'm just trying to make my game plan for how to do it and where to order from. They live in the French area. What difference does that make? That doesn't make a difference. It's still Canadian dollars. should be up at a reasonable time. I see. Anyways. I hate console gaming. Well, a Switch is also handheld. I guess it's still a console. Oh, anyway. Well, I'll let everybody know how it goes. I'll come in the Discord and update everybody. If I'm able to get it. It'll be first thing. If I do. Only PC gaming. Yeah, that's fair. PC gaming's also fun. I've enjoyed PC gaming since getting a PC. Anyway, I guess I should start playing Clone Hero, because if I'm gonna get through all these charts, and then maybe even do some Kirby fishing after, then I should probably get going. I guess I can open the game. Can't wait for your rant on Discord about missing out on the Switch. That's so rude! Why would you say that? I'm not missing out. I will get a Switch if it's the last thing I do. Do I get real money for channel coins? No. Channel points are free. And I get nothing for them. Ah! Is that too loud? Probs. I think I turned Clone Hero up. Is that too loud? A bit loud? Is it still loud? I turned it down a bit. The point of the channel points is for you guys to get stuff. Good to know. Okay. Whoa. Thank God I wasn't wearing earbuds. True. Alright. I haven't heard Fall Out Boy since they released Centuries. That's from this album. I love Fall Out Boy. I had tickets to see them, and I had to sell them because I moved. And then I couldn't go anymore. Okay. What are we doing? Let's do this. Oh. Oh god, I went down too far. What is TTS in channel points? I don't know if it works. It should be text to speech. Like, it should, like, read out your message, but I don't know if it works. Actually, I think it does. So if you redeem it and you type something, a voice will say it, basically. You could try it if you want. I think it works. Who's the next live concert you're going to? I'm going to, in June, I'm going to Keith Urban. With my mom and my sister. And then in July, I think I'm going to a festival. A very small festival, nothing major. Mainly going to see Simple Plan, but also there's going to be other bands there. I think those are the only two concerts I even have coming up. I don't think I have any others coming up. I'm kind of falling off from my concerts because I live in the middle of nowhere now, so. Yes, so true, Baron! You know it! My last D&D wizard ended up getting a Fall Out Boy song as a theme song sung by the group. That's so fun! I love that. What Fall Out Boy song was it? Alright. Let's do it. Baron, did you know that Simple Plan are Canadian? French-Canadian, in fact. That's a good one. That's a good one, Dinger. Alright, here we go. You did not know that. Well, now you know. Yes, they do sing Thanks for the Memories as well. Oh my god, help. I'm bad at those parts.
I love water.
Oh my god, so true, me too. Hi, Icy! I know, rare, right? I don't do this much anymore. Oh my god, spicy. Nice. How are you, Icy? It's Piranha Plant Slide from Mario Kart 8, Josh. I'm doing all Mario Kart charts. I downloaded a bunch the other day. Yeah, Icy, you should. They're so fun. I feel like they're a good level of challenging for me. Oh my god, that was terrible. I'm just warming up, guys. Yeah, it's good. Sorry, I didn't see that Baron also asked about the song. I see, these are all the ones I downloaded, like, the other day. And I played a bunch of them, but I didn't play some of them, so... This one is literally just guitar solos over and over again. Oh, and saxophone solos, too. Oh my god. Oh no, I remember this. I think you're right, Dinger. I think it is, but it's in a Mario Kart race. That rings a bell now that you say that. Bye, what the heck? Okay, so, well, that was generous. I definitely have improved a lot. But still lots of improvements to be made. Wait, tell Icy what? Oh, your hands hurt. Oh my god, yeah. If your hands hurt looking at me...
I know you probably hear this every day, but I'm your biggest fan.
Oh,
I got
thanks.
a room full of your posters and your pictures.
Yeah, thanks. Thanks, Falafel. That one is one of the harder ones out of these. But yeah, no, I'm definitely nowhere near the skill of many people that play Clone. There are people... Oh my gosh, sorry. I'm starting over. Sometimes my hair annoys me. But anyways. What did I not notice? Oh, the TTS. I see, I see. I understand now. You're right, I didn't notice. Alright. This is in Mario Kart, there, yes. Mario Kart 8. It is groovy. The cool thing about the Mario Kart music is that, like, it's also unique. Like, there's so many different sounds and, like, genres and stuff. It's kind of cool. I should not go that hard, especially for a Mario game. Literally, all the Mario music goes hard. This is what I'm saying. Devin, hopefully this music can be a nice lullaby for you if you fall asleep. Maybe not that song specifically. I have 2 different charts of this. I don't really know why. I'll just play this one. Oof. The FOMO dinger. That was not bad. That could have been worse. It's not over yet. Fortnite's version of this is the closest I'll get to playing Clone Hero. Fortnite Festival. I haven't tried Fortnite Festival. Although I know people like it. I haven't tried it. Plus got text from friends pointing out the year I leave the con, it literally catches fire. Why did it catch fire?
Why Matt is not in chat?
Matt's at work. Sorry, Falafel. He's at work today. That's why he's not in chat. Oh god, this one scares me. I feel like this one has a lot of solos in it. Ooh, I almost got 100 on that one. It'll never happen again. Wow. Sorry, I get behind on chat when I play. The Cheesecake Factory is in the same building as part of the con and had a kitchen fire and then later a separate gas leak. That location was closing next month. Wow, what the heck? Partner got a I survived the Cheesecake Factory at con sticker. That's funny. Wow. Not the Cheesecake Factory. Thank you, Baron. I appreciate it. Alright, let's do it. Earthquake one also goes hard. That's crazy. 7.1 is a huge earthquake. there, and that's crazy. There was an earthquake here not too long ago, but I didn't feel it. Well, not exactly where I am, but there was an earthquake in BC. Like, more farther south in BC. And I didn't feel it at all. I went right back to bed after I finished. I did not give a fuck. That's fair. Ooh, get ready for a banger. 2019, July 4th. Hug Teddy! Wow! I haven't hugged Teddy in a minute. Here's Teddy. Oh yeah, you don't know Teddy. This is Teddy. He's my childhood bear. I've had him since the day I was born. So he's quite an old bear. He's 25, almost 25 years old. And I named him very creatively, as you can tell, because his name is Teddy. These scarves that he's wearing were knitted by my sister. I do also have a map. Oh my god! We're bringing everybody out. Okay, here we go. I don't know if I've ever had a double hug redemption. I probably have. Look at the gang. We're all here. I don't think I could play the game while I hold them, unfortunately. I don't think that will work, but... Why does the candy corn never get love? Well, he's not really an iconic one like this. Gonna check on the 3D print and get dinner. Alright.
Hi Teddy and Matt.
Hi! Enjoy, Dinger. Thanks for hanging out. Maybe we'll see you in a bit. My stuffed bear was named Zeddy. He was a Zeller's Teddy. That's so smart! Also, hi, Ryan. That's iconic, not gonna lie. Zeddy, we love that. Maybe I can have these guys sit here so you can see them. I'm wasting my coins. Oh, well, that's fair. They're yours to do what you want with them. I think they'll stay up like that. You can't really see that. Rip Zellers, one of the best, honestly. Justice for candy corn. Maybe we can bring them out in a bit. How are you, Ryan? Oh my gosh, I'm so bad. Oh, there's no way. Good night, Devin. Thanks for hanging out. It'd be funny if I slept through another thunderstorm. Well, you'll have to find out if there's another thunderstorm. Not too bad chilling playing Oblivion, one of the first games I rented on the PS3. Wow, that's fun. I hope you're enjoying it. I discovered a new band yesterday. I'm gonna get so much hate for this. Who? Who did you discover? You can tell us. Oh, do you guys want to see another funny chart? That, Coldplay. There's no way you discovered Coldplay yesterday. Look at this chart. This isn't Mario Kart. Oh, this totally breaks the scene. Hold on. Get ready, everybody. I fucked that up. Anyways. You got the forklift chart. I did! I don't know. Oh, I was about to say, was it you that made it? Somebody sent me a video of it from Twitter and was like, download this. It was Bobby. I was like, okay. But I'm fucking terrible at it. Anyway, back to our regularly scheduled programming. Also, hi Fig. How are you? I'm not gonna judge you. I'm just gonna think you're like 12. I knew someone was gonna judge me. Welcome back, Dinger. I hope you enjoy your dinner. What are you having for dinner? I saw it on Instagram. It's disgusting and I love it. Can you play it well though? Because I can't. Or have you tried it, or did you just see it? Pizza? Oh my god, yum. What's your pizza toppings of choice? Doing well. Finally got to catch a Clone Hero stream. I never stream it anymore. So yeah, it's even harder to. I don't know the last Clone Hero specific stream that I had. But I downloaded a bunch of Mario Kart charts and I've been playing them. Enjoy your venting, Baron. What was the song? I'm not a huge... Oh, it was Yellow. Well, that is a classic, to be fair. Meat lovers with olives and pineapple. See, unlike falafel, I'm not going to send you to jail for pineapple on pizza. But I will send you to jail for olives! Ew! I don't like olives. I do not like olives. But to each their own. I'm not actually judging your tastes. Everybody can enjoy what they want on their pizza, but I do not like olives. I just saw it and I'm almost certainly not going to be able to play it well. It's so hard. The things go so quick. The greens go so quick. But it is funny though. So I had to download a ton of memes because it's pretty good. A rum and coke is nice. That makes up for it. This is a banger. Oh wow, I missed all of that. You're a casual observer of Coldplay, but you don't know Yellow? I'm not judging.
Ruining a good pizza while kids in Africa don't have water or food should be illegal.
Kids in Africa would be grateful to have a pizza with pineapple on it. Or olives, for that matter. Dinger, what is your rum of choice to mix into your Coke? Oh, this chart is so good. You disagree. Okay. Okay. That's funny. That was not as good as the first time around. That's such a good song. We love it. Bacardi usually 151, but only had 80 proof. Nice. Yum. Oh, this is an old one. This one is a Mario Kart 8. We can do it anyway, though. was cute. How many more do I have? A bunch! Oh, this one's good. I like this music. It's very Mario Galaxy-esque, which I guess is probably intentional. My hands got so out of position. Wow. Okay. Ooh, this is gonna be a banger. I'm ready. Oh my gosh. luck, Jimmy! I hope it goes well. Also, welcome. I'm playing Mario Kart songs on Clone Hero, so I'm appropriate. I'm on theme. I don't think I'm gonna attempt Walmart, but good luck. Jimmy, I literally said I was gonna call GameStop after work and find out, like, the tea, and then I forgot. I fully forgot until after they were closed. But anyway, hopefully this Mario Kart music will help get you hyped for your pre-order experience. I can go back and play some of the ones that you missed if you want, after I play through them all. I don't have every single one, but I downloaded all the charts I could find. Oh, what is this? Bruh, I didn't realize the Moonview Highway music went like this. Why did I think it was like chill? This is crazy. Oh my god. I didn't know it went this hard. But good luck, Jimmy. You'll have to let me know the details, like, I'm curious if it will let you pre-order for pickup or if it's just gonna be for delivery on Walmart. Because I don't understand what's happening. You can do pickup in store? Okay. You think GameStop and Best Buy are gonna be the same? That's what I'm hoping. Is this it? It's just drums till the end? Oh, okay. Do you know about Teddy and Matt, the non-human Matt? Jimmy, you probably do know. It's this Matt. This one. But yes, Jimmy does know about Teddy. Jimmy has seen Teddy in person. Oh gosh, I messed this up. They were sitting so nicely. There we go. Alright. Ooh, this is probably gonna be crazy. I'm just listening to this now. I'm imagining what the chart will be. The pillow, Jimmy. I'm afraid of this chart. Let's do it. This is gonna be probably insane. I can tell the origin story of the pillow after this. Oh no! I'm falling off! $69. crazy. Another F-Zero crossover. Those songs are bangers too. Damn. Jimmy, basically the story of the pillow is that it was my Christmas gift from Matt the first year that we were together. And he also gave me, I don't know if I have them here or if they're somewhere else. Oh no, it'd be so cool if I could show them. Oh wait, they are here. Nope, just kidding, that's not them. I don't have them handy, but he also gave me custom made guitar picks that had Matt Laura Hug on them. I don't know where I put them. They're usually just on my desk somewhere, but they might be buried under something. And they said one side had Matt and Laura Hug on them, and one side said M. Hardell on them. And they were cute. And yeah, and the pillow. But I had to supply the pillow. He only sent me the pillow cover. I supplied the actual pillow itself. And put it in the pillow cover. Alright. Let's fucking go! And with a custom designed card from Fiona. Oh my god. Oh, we hit it. We hit it that time. Oh, I fucked that though. Jimmy. Woo! Yeah, Fiona is another mod. Fiona is another mod, Falafel, and she also downloaded, oh my god, I can't speak. She designed my emotes. She designed these. And the other ones. Those are just 3 of them. And yeah, Matt asked her to design a card for me for Christmas, and she did, and it was very beautiful. Since you're my nemesis, I will be a happy boy. Oh my goodness. I have seen the new Shrek trailer, yeah, the new little, like, the teaser thingy. I did see it. I did. Alright. These charts are so fun! Oh, this Rainbow Road one is also really good. I didn't play that second Rainbow Road one. Alright. Jimmy, it's almost time. 2 minutes. How do you feel? Emotionless. Oh my god. Not even excited? Let this music lift your spirits. I feel like this is my favorite Rainbow Road song, actually. I lost my grip. The song is great, but the track is mediocre. Which one is that from? Is that the one from... Is that the one with, like, the... the metal stuff? Or is that SNES? I can't remember which one's which. Not to be emo, but nothing excites me much anymore. Adult moment, I guess. Well... I hope that once you get the Switch, you'll feel the excitement, Jimmy. That's all I can say. Space Station. I think that's the one I'm thinking of. This is the Space Station one? Oh, and this one is like the really flat one. The really square track, right? Like the square corners. That's a terrible description. My favorite Rainbow Road track is the Wii one. And I like the one from the Mario Kart 8 with the toads on the tray. What's your constructive criticism of Falafel? when you end the stream, the outro song is too loud. Okay, I can keep that in mind. Sorry. Sorry, it's too loud. I didn't know. I spent lots of time on the SNES Rainbow Road. It's pretty good. It keeps logging me out. Oh god, good luck, Jimmy. Just mute the stream. Did you suffer hearing loss while listening to Lore of the Stork stream in the 2020s? Nobody's entitled to compensation from me. I don't have money to pay people. Ooh, the next song is the staff credits, but I'm gonna save staff credits for the end, because I think that'd be cute. Like, as in for the end of the Mario Kart part. Like, it'll be my last Mario Kart song. Oh, fuck. Out of stock? No way! Oh, you think it's like a fake out of stock, Jimmy? Like it's a glitch? I think there's been a glitch. Nice reference. Banger. Wait, pause. Pause, Jimmy. Did it work, Jimmy? They also had it for pre-sale on Costco's website, by the way. So if you have a Costco membership or your parents have a Costco membership, you could try ordering it from there. We looked at it earlier, but I don't have a Costco membership. I got an email from GameStop about the pre-orders. I just got an email about it. It's not telling me any more information I didn't already know, though. Like, hi, I got all of this on Twitter. Why don't you tell me something I don't know? Alright, time for Super Bell Subway. Oh, this is a banger. I feel like there's so many songs from Mario Kart that I don't hear properly until I hear them like this. Like, why do I feel like I've never heard this before? Even though clearly I have. was short. No way I got to the complete order screen and now it's saying out of stock again. What? No, Jimmy, I'm actually scared. You're scaring me. This is scaring me. What are you gonna do if you can't get it from Walmart? Are you gonna try again? Tomorrow? With somewhere else? Find someone that has a Costco membership and get it from Costco. Either it's glitched again or we got scalped. Yeah, honestly, who knows? Okay. This is not a Mario Kart one, but I'm including it. It's from Smash. Yeah, keep trying, Jimmy. For sure. They might, like, release more or add more. You never know. Or people might back out of their carts. People might have second thoughts once they see the price. Someone got one? Like someone you know? Reverby guitar. Forgot to use my star power. Me when I kind of want to try to go on and get it, like, just to see what would happen. Wait, I just want to see what would happen. Because what if I can pre-order it now and then I don't have to get up tomorrow morning? I just want to see. I just want to see what's up. I can't show my screen because it's going to dox my postal code. How did you find it? I searched Switch 2 and it doesn't even come up. Order 2 and sell 1 to Jim for 2K. I would never do that to Jimmy. I clicked the link from their Twitter. It doesn't even come up. When I click the link, I feel like it's... Oh, no, wait, I see it. See, no, but when I say on mine, if I say free pickup, it says June 10th is the pickup date. Like, why? Probably getting hammered by everyone. Well, on mine, Jimmy, when I went on here, it says free pickup June 10th. That's 5 days too late. And it says free delivery by Monday, June 9th. So, like, what the heck is that about? Everybody on Twitter is mad. Already gone? The fuck? LOL. Did you guys have like 10? Already sold out? Oh my god. Had one in my cart, then didn't. That's Jimmy. Did anyone get one? Oh no, that's not good. Thanks for kicking me out of my checkout as I was buying it. Now sold out. Did you even have any for sale? I was on queue at 12:01 and it said sold out. Oh my god. It's been sold out for 5 minutes before you posted this. All gone as soon as it went live. 1 minute it says sold out. The next is having technical issues. Come on. I don't think this is going well. I don't think this is going well. But for me, it says that it's not even, it's what happened. Spicy, I didn't try it, but Walmart pre-orders just went up, and it's been a shit show. Jimmy's in here. Jimmy's trying to get one from Walmart, and it's a fucking shit show. And when I went on, hold on, I can't show the Walmart thing because, hang on, let me see if I can cover my postal code. If I put my camera in the corner, maybe. Oh, fuck, I don't know how to do this. If I put my camera, like, here, I think it might cover my postal code. Oh god, if you saw anything, no you didn't. Perfect. See, look what mine says. Free pickup by June 10th. And free delivery arrives by Monday, June 9th. Neither of which are the release date, by the way. So, I don't know what's up. But it never even showed me an option. Maybe that's just because it's already sold out. But for me, like, it's not even available on release day, so I wouldn't have ordered even if I could get through. But anyway, yeah, Spicy, it's not looking good from this. Jimmy, you didn't get one? That sucks. We pray for the best for Best Buy and GameStop. I'm thinking I should get up and try it on Best Buy's website, as just in case I don't even get through. The pickup and delivery was also kind of doxing. Oh, wait, what did it say? Oh, whatever. I mean, it's nothing you can't find if you follow me on Instagram, which is public, so, like... And that postal code isn't my postal code. So it's okay. That is another random postal code. Anyways, I'm not too worried. Nobody, come for me, please. Anyway, I'm moving this. Nobody come here, please. I don't know why you would anyway. It says 11th of June now? Oh my god. See, it's getting worse. That's crazy. Well, GG's. Jimmy, try Amazon. I think Amazon was going to be having pre-orders. I don't know when theirs are going up. Are there really? Oh, Matt, we never changed the game. Oh no. Hi, Matt. Bye, Matt. Are there really only like 3 stores selling them? Spicy, there's... Well, for pre-order, there's Walmart, Best Buy, GameStop, and Amazon. Those are the 4 that you can pre-order from. There might be more that I have, there might be more that have them on release day, but most things I have pre-ordered from Amazon have arrived on street date. Well, that's good. I've never tried pre-ordering anything from Amazon, so I can't speak to any experience with that. And I haven't pre-ordered a console ever, so. Alright. People are getting them? Jimmy, keep trying. Just keep, I don't know, closing and reopening the tab or something. Good night, Baron. Amazon pretty reliable from what I've heard. Well, I mean, that's good to know. I don't know what time the Amazon... I kind of want to fuck around with the Walmart one now. Oh, hi, Misk! Sorry, as I literally stop, I'm gonna continue. We're, one of my mods, Jimmy, and my friend, is trying to pre-order the Switch right now from Walmart, the Switch 2. And I'm debating if I should try to get in here. You've gotten there a couple of times. How do you even see the screen where it says that? Where it says that you can get it pickup day of. Like, I haven't even seen this. All it's giving me is, like, the pickup way later. Are you just, like, staying on the page and refreshing it, Jimmy? Anyways, hi, Misk. We are playing Clone Hero. It's not what it looks like. I'm just curious what's happening with this. I need to find a way to just block my postal code from appearing. It says out of... Okay, wait. I refreshed it again, and now it says out of stock. Now it says out of stock entirely. That's the first time I've seen that. Now it says out of stock again. I mean, I can add the game. Wait, but even if I add Mario Kart, physical copy of Mario Kart to my, like, thing, it says free pickup June 18. Free delivery June 12. It's still in my cart, though. That's interesting. Well, they don't have the game anyways. Try incognito for postal code to be gone. True. Only one left. Oh my god, this is chaos. I'm so scared to actually try to order it tomorrow. Like, this is not making me feel good. I would pre-order the Switch 2, but money doesn't grow on trees. You're right. Money really doesn't grow on trees. But unfortunately, I'm a Nintendo simp. And so, I will do what I have to do. See, this is what sketches me about all of this. Like, I don't know. Either way, it's telling me that it's out of stock and it's not working, so. But I actually am gonna continue playing. Wait, I got a Are You a Robot thing. Is that a good sign? I gotta press and hold Are You a Robot. Maybe that's just because I've been refreshing a lot, so they think I'm a robot. It says out of stock. I'm going back to Clone Hero. Misk, I've been playing a bunch of Mario Kart 8 charts because I discovered them the other day, and they're really fun. So that's what I've been doing. Although I'm actually about to play the last one, which is the staff credits. Seems like I'm able to pre-order it. What the heck? From Walmart Canada, Spicy? Or from a place in New Zealand? I'm not a robot, as far as I know. Okay, well, I'm gonna try this. Jimmy, keep us updated. Oh, the background! Wait! Yeah, I think, Spicy, I think they have tons of them in Australia and New Zealand. For some reason, you guys just have way more than you need. I'm turning off backgrounds. I think I'm cooked. I'm so sorry, Jimmy. That sucks. Where is the setting for this? I don't even remember. Oh, wait. Oh, no, it's in here. Or not. Oh, yeah, song background. Apparently there's 2.2 million people in Japan alone that have pre-ordered it or something. I heard that too. That, like, in Japan, they didn't have as many. Enough as what people wanted. Time for you to move to our side of the world. I'm working on it. I'm working on it. Trust me. Dinger, like, that's fair, but also, like, we're not the States, and I don't think we should be subject to this. $7.99 New Zealand dollars for console, $8.69 for Mario Kart bundle. I don't know its price in Canada. In Canada, it's $6.99 Canadian for the bundle, but that's also not even including tax because we don't even include tax in our freaking prices. So it's probably even more than that. It's probably more like $7.50. I'm terrified to try to order this thing tomorrow morning. This is not making me feel good. I'm sorry that this happened, Jimmy. I'm going until 12:45. All right, I respect the grind. I'm playing staff credits. Yeah, $6.99. Not including tax, spicy. So $6.99 plus tax. Oh no, open strums hurt my brain. I can't comprehend them. The Canadian dollar sucks. It fucking sucks. Worst currency ever. Would not recommend. Literally, I get Matt to buy me stuff in Australia because it's cheaper than here. I bought many Switch games when I was in Australia because it's cheaper. Literally. Even with the conversion, it's way cheaper. Like, actually, like $20 difference when buying a game. It's so crazy. No. Wow, what a banger. Yeah. Fun. Wow, I did all my Mario Kart ones. Do I want to do any of them again? I don't know. Or do anything else? Anybody want to hear a song? I have many, but I can't tell you all of them because there's many. These charts are so much fun. Like, actually, wow. My compliments to the chef. Misk, how many of your charts do I have? Ballroom Blitz. Oh, did you see it? I'll play it. Oh no! I lost it. What have I done? I can search. What am I doing? It's a Wave group cover, unfortunately. It's not the original song, but I can play it anyway. Oh my god, Jimmy, no way. That's crazy. What the heck are they doing? Like somebody you know? That's crazy, Jimmy. Walmart is dropping the ball. I definitely probably have some Led Zeppelin thinger. I'll look after this. Jimmy, literally. What is this? This is Ballroom Blitz from Guitar Hero Encore. Yes, it is. I downloaded a bunch of the like Guitar Hero packs recently. But some of them it wouldn't let me download because too many people had downloaded them recently. So I guess I'll just go back at some point. I don't remember which ones I got. I was downloading it from that that like Google that sheet. If you know what I'm talking about. That big spreadsheet that has like everything in it. Jimmy, honestly, like I was thinking about trying to go when we were talking about like how to pre-order the Switch. I was like, should I just go on my lunch break tomorrow? It would mean that I wouldn't have lunch. Like it would take my whole lunch break to get to GameStop and back, but I could do it. Or should I just try my luck and go to GameStop after work and see if they still have any that I can pre-order in person? Jesus, Jimmy! That's crazy. Just pack yourself a sandwich before bed? Well, true. I could find a solution. Surely you can do a day without lunch. I try not to. Misk, the convenient thing is that I work in the building where I live. Like, my job is a live-in position. So, like, I have an apartment in the building where I live. Which is so awesome for work-life balance. But it's convenient for things like this. Because, like, I can just go home. Like, I could literally just run back to my room. I'm sorry to like you, Jim. That wasn't even him that said it. Hi, Mackie. How are you? I'm doing good, thanks. Somebody, Dinger asked for Led Zeppelin. I must have some. Let me check. Give me a moment. Oh yeah, see, look, they have all the Guitar Hero thingies on here. Let me have a look. If I don't have any, I'm sure I could download some. Let me sort my artists. And that is not a Led Zeppelin song. That was Sweet Child of Mine. Saw Iron Maiden. No, that one is Guns N' Roses. I might have some Iron Maiden also. Oh, I do have 3. I can play them all if you want. 2 of them I've never played before. Alright, let's do it. Good idea. I hope that GameStop pulls through as well, Jimmy. Also for myself. Oh, I missed the blue one. All good, Mackie, no worries. This is Bone Hero. But this is a guitar, I guess. Oh no, I fell off. Singing along is allowed and encouraged. When I read the letter you wrote me, you made me mad my mind. When I read the words that it told me, you made me sad, sad, sad. But I still love you so, I can't let you go. I love you. Oh, baby, I love you. Oh, 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 oh. Every breath I take. Go! When I read the letter you sent me, you made me mad, mad, mad. When I read the news that it broke me, you made me sad, sad, sad. But I still love you so, and I can't let you go. I love you. Ooh, baby, I love you. You should try Best Buy, Jimmy, if you can. Better to have options, right? My nose is itchy. Oh my god, I cannot. I thought I was gonna die. Damn. Me at the breakfast table pre-ordering the Switch 2. You might as well, Jimmy. I think you should. You should try it. I'm gonna have to get up at 6 for it. And I'm not excited for that. Gonna have to freaking like sleep with my laptop next to my bed. So I can just hop on. Yeah, I'm doing my 3 Led Zeppelin songs, Ryan. We finished all the Mario Kart ones. Bit of a different vibe. Your parents had taste. Parents had taste, Dinger. My parents raised me on Queen and Elton John and the Beatles. Mainly. Among others. I do have some Rush. I can play some Rush after this. I think I do have Spirit of Radio, funnily enough. That might be the only one I have. I'll have a look. I think it's a live version or something. I'm trying to remember. But yes, Jimmy, please keep an eye out on the Discord server and let me know what you find. Tom Sawyer is also a great song. I'm about to date myself. I saw Nirvana live. I was 13 or 14. Oh, that's so cool, though. Took me a very long time to initially figure out the name of this song when I first heard it. Nirvana's awesome. That's really cool. Damn, you're like 80. That's crazy. 80 is crazy. Oh my gosh. I'm sorry that the Walmart pre-order didn't work out, Jimmy. Okay, I'll do this, and then I'll look for my Rush songs. I haven't played this chart before. So, get ready. Get ready, everybody. What the heck? How did I miss that? The Forbidden Riff.
All that glitters is gold, and she's buying the stairway to heaven. When she gets
Oh,
there,
interesting,
she
spicy.
knows if the stores are all closed, with a word she can get what she came. And she's buying a stairway to heaven. There's a sign.
I got ID'd today and nearly 30.
But she
That is
wants
complimentary,
to
I
be
think.
sure, 'cause you know
I still get ID'd at most
sometimes
places, and I'm 24. The facial hair does make a difference, Dinger, I feel like.
There's a songbird
For some
who
people.
sings. Sometimes all of our thoughts are misgiven.
Oh no, I missed that.
It makes me wonder.
Guys, does it ever make you wonder?
Makes me wonder. There's a feeling I get when I look to the west, and my spirit is crying for leaving. In my thoughts, I have seen rings of smoke through the trees, and the voices of those who stand looking. It makes me wonder. Really makes me wonder. And it's whispered that soon, if we all call the tune, then the piper will lead us to reason.
It's a
And
pretty
the
fucking
new
good song,
day will
Ryan.
dawn for those who stand long, and the forests will echo with laughter.
It is gonna go hard soon. I'm scared for the chart.
If there's a bustle in your hedgerow, don't be alone there. It's just a sprinkling for the May Queen. Yes, there are two paths you can go by, but in the long run, there's still time to change the road you're on. And it makes me wonder. Your head is
Good job, Jimmy.
humming
That's making
and
it
it
count as
won't
well.
go. In case you don't know, the piper's calling you to join him. Dear lady, can you hear the wind blow? And did you know your stairway lies on the whispering wind?
I'll be up as well, Jimmy. So we can discuss how it's going.
And as we wind on down the road, our shadows taller than our soul. There walks a lady we all know, who shines white light and wants to show how everything still turns to stone. And if you listen very hard, the truth will come to you at last. Well, what is wrong? To be wrong and not and she's buying a stairway.
Guys, 8 minutes never went by so fast. That felt like a blink. What a great song. Oh, it's so fucking good. That was a great chart. I can't believe I've never played it before. Anyways, I think I missed like a whole conversation. But I hope that you guys are enjoying your chat while I was playing Stairway. I don't have Kashmir. I could see if I could download it, Jimmy, but I did tell them I would play a Rush song first. But I can see if they have... Kashmir is a great song. I should actually look it up anyway because I just want it. Honestly, I want to... This is kind of putting me in a Led Zeppelin mood. I kind of want to look up some other Led Zeppelin songs. Let me see what I have for Rush. I definitely have something at least that I can try. And then we can look up some other Zeppelin maybe after that. Sorry, just scrolling. Rush. Show me Rush. A bit more. Aha! It is Spirit of Radio! I knew it! But it is a live version. I remembered correctly. Alright, here we go. Rush, people, this is for you. Oh, I'm gonna fuck it up so bad. I'm gonna fuck it up so bad. Just let me get through this part. Oh my god, fuck. I have to say something about Rush. Don't hate me, guys. I grew up really not liking Rush because my parents don't like Rush. But then when I got older and actually listened to Rush, I was like, wait, why did I hate this? I was like, why did my parents raise me this way? It's actually so good. So I came around to Rush in my later years. Oh my god, this part is so fun. What's happening? they have any bass charts for Rush, actually. That's a good idea. Ah! I think I'm taking a break. One of the YouTube creators I follow is experiencing music that he didn't grow up listening to. His parents only allowed certain types. That's so interesting. I wouldn't mind seeing if they have YYZ by Rush as well. I like that one. Instrumental track, but it's cool. Oh fuck. Sounds good, Mackie. I will check it out. Oh my god.
Of the prophets were written on the studio wall.
Well, I got a new personal best, if you can believe it. Oh, sorry, Jimmy.
Goes with the sound of salesmen. Of a salesman. Of a salesman.
Oh, I almost missed the last note. Oh my god. Rush at the time was kind of acquired, to be honest. Never really loved till later on by the general public. Yeah, true. That's interesting. Okay, wait, hold on. Jimmy, wait, you said you wanted Carly as well? We can also do that. Please hold. I'm gonna see if I can find Cashmere and potentially some other stuff. Who does anybody else have more Led Zeppelin requests? You see YYZ? Let me see. Oh, yep, it's here. Does anybody have any others? Any other requests? Led Zeppelin requests? I can, Jimmy, yes. I guess I can show you guys this. Unfortunately, not that one, Jimmy. Not that one. I don't know if they have that one, or I'm spelling it wrong. You know what my favorite Led Zeppelin song is? Going to California. Please give it to me! Why do they not have it? Are you kidding? I'm just gonna search Led Zeppelin and see what comes up. There's a few. Which Carly songs are available? I can look. Carly Rae Jepsen. We have Call Me Maybe, Boy Problems, which I already have. This one, which is a metal cover. That's it. Sorry, Jimmy, it's slim pickings. There's not very much. Boy Problems I have, though, which I love. It's a great chart. And I'll play it if you want. Anyway, let me search. Oh, we wanted... Wait, did I search Cashmere already? I don't know if they have it. Oh, Ramble On. Oh my god, these are great choices. Ramble On is here. Misty Mountain Hop. That's such a good one. What the heck? They don't have it though. Sorry. I don't know if they have that one either. Ramble On is awesome. Oh, Good Times, Bad Times. Oh, show me the ocean. Sorry, I'm getting hyped now. Good times, bad times. Why do they not have any of these? They have Good Times Roll by the Cars. That's a pretty good song. I'm gonna yoink it anyway. Even though it's not what we were looking for. I'll try The Ocean. Okay, I'm confused. I thought they would have literally every Led Zeppelin song ever. Where are the people charting Led Zeppelin? Communication Breakdown is good. I'll take Bring It On Home. Yeah, In Excess is also good. Over the Hills and Far Away is good. Sorry, I'm not saying the other songs aren't good. I'm just picking the songs that I know well. I already have these. This is Black Dog Live. Could take that. I think that's it. You want the SpongeBob song? I'm sure someone's made it. Or maybe not. There's a live cover. I don't think I saw A Whole Lot of Love, even though that's also a really good one. Nope. That's awesome, Dinger. That's really cool. Yeah, the Led Zeppelin selection is not as good as I thought, to be honest. But honestly, it's probably a good thing because I need to go to bed like soonish anyway. So I really couldn't have played too many more. Radiohead. Did you see Radiohead? Oh, wait, did you say it in chat? Oh, sorry, Jimmy, I missed it. I might already have some Radiohead. I might already have some. Jimmy, do any of these tickle your fancy? I don't know Radiohead too well. Led Zeppelin is very good. I'm surprised they didn't have more songs. I'm shook. Any others? One's enough. Okay. Bet. I just have to add these all to my folder really quick. Please hold. Please hold while I add to my playlist, my list. Why can I not remember how this works? Oh, wait, hold on. I think I got him. I just have to go scan my folder. Okay, I'll play all these ones I just downloaded, and I'll play the Carly Rae Jepsen one, and then I will probably leave after that. There's someone I have in mind to raid that I'm hoping we can still... I'm hoping she's still live by the time I leave. She's this, like, sweet, sweet girl doing a birthday stream, and she came in. I came into her stream because I saw her on my home screen, my homepage. And it said in her title it was her birthday. So I went in and was like, hi, happy birthday. And she was so nice. This was before I started streaming. So I'm hoping she's still on and we can raid her and go wish her a happy birthday. But we'll see if she's still on by the time I leave. Because she was already on by the time I started. Okay, let's do it. Let's do it. Live version.
The way you move, gonna make you slap, gonna make you groove. I said the way you swing, gonna make you burn, gonna make you stay. When you walk that way,
Good night, Ryan. Thanks for hanging out. It was fun. Hopefully we'll see you again soon. Oh no!
Got a flaming heart, can't get my fill.
All
you
good,
all through
Dinger.
my head.
Hope you have a good rest. Hopefully your equipment will be better soon.
Take too long, for I found out what people mean by down and down. Spent my money, I took my car, started telling a friend she gonna be a star. Now I don't know, but I've been told a big leg woman ain't got no soul. City rolling woman gonna come my way.
Sometimes you learn some words when you play music,
To
Dinger.
hold my hand, won't tell me no lies, make me a happy man.
I like your interpretation. Doesn't this guy just make you feel like you're at the concert?
Keep on, keep on, keep on.
I'm so immersed right now. Damn. Wow. That was fun. Contexto today? We can maybe do the contexto. We'll do it after I get through all these songs. We can do it before I leave. I don't know if I should do all of them. Some of them are a little long. But we can do the ones, we can do the Radiohead one. Oh, I did want to do this as well. I'll do Radiohead. Jimmy, you're still here, right? I'll do Radiohead and this one. And maybe this one. Because it's short. And then we can do Carly Rae Jepsen. You can skip Carly. No, but I like that chart. That That was gonna be my ending one. Oh, my bar was in the way. Oh, this is the thing you're 3D printing, Dinger? Is it for a project? Oh, cosplay. Cool. Do you have a 3D printer? Like you own one? That's awesome. You have a 3D printer as well, Falafel? Damn, everybody has 3D printers. The harmonies are nice, Jimmy. That emote is so old. Like, I literally had blue hair in that emote. Isn't that crazy? My typing is sucking as I have fingers bandaged up, was removing supports with my pocket knife and slipped. Oh no, that's the worst. I hope you're okay. Friends from the medieval reenactment group Friends from the medieval reenactment group I'm in are also involved in the Star Wars community and gonna introduce me to the local Mando clan for helping modify. Ooh, that's fun. Cosplay is so cool. I really respect people who do cosplay. It's so much work to make them, and like people make such cool stuff. Whoops. All right. This one, and then that one Led Zeppelin one, and then we'll do the Carly one, and then we'll get out of here. This song is so fun. Oh, I wasn't ready. Good night, Jimmy. Good luck with your Switch pre-order tomorrow. I'll have to let you know how it goes for me as well. Praying for us. Oh, damn. So good. Such a great song. I haven't cosplayed in 20 years. Stopped when I was getting attacked for not cosplaying for my body type. That's lame. I'm glad that you're getting back into it. I am glad that you're getting back into it. As you should. Alright. I'm gonna do my 2 more songs and then I will get out of here for the night. Whoops. Never spicy. I should do a cosplay stream. A Toad cosplay stream. Okay. Another. Changing it up a little bit. Burger Toad! I love Burger Toad! I would die for him! And that's why I need a Switch on June 5th.
Listen, just
So true.
leave or stay. But I'm done listening to it.
If you're gonna go, then go. She said to me on the phone. So tired of hearing all your boy problems. If you're gonna stay, then stay. It's not gonna change anyway. So tired of hearing all your boy problems. Oh, she's right, and I should not be offended. Yeah, I know what it looks like from the outside. I know she's right, and I should not be offended.
and Fiona. That'd be
Your
fun.
best friend, oh. What's worse is when you discover you're not good for each other. She's been given, you've been taking, taking, taking. What problems? Who's got 'em? I've got 'em too. Your trouble, we've got trouble. Don't know what to do. Never got with my boyfriend today, and I don't really care. I've got worse problems with my boyfriend. Never got with my boyfriend today, and I don't really care. I've got worse problems with my boyfriend. Yeah, more problems. Who's got 'em? I've got it too. More trouble, got trouble. Don't know what to do. More problems. Who's got 'em? I've got it too.
Woo! I love that song. It's so good. It's so groovy. Oops. Accidentally paused it. Woo! Well, the person that I wanted to raid is not streaming anymore, so I think we can do a couple more songs. I was gonna like end the stream hoping that we could get over there before they leave, but since they're not here, I think we could do some more. We could go back up and do those ones. Oh my god, best viewers. Slay. Thank you for the best viewers. Enjoy, Spicy. Thanks for hanging out. It was fun. I will see you later. I'll do some more of these ones that I downloaded.
Got my ticker, got that load. Drop, going higher, all aboard. I'ma take my seat, right way back. Ooh, yeah, watch this train go down the track. Wanna bring it on home, take it on home to you. Watch out, that
Try to tell you, baby, what you're trying to do.
Ugh, so true, Falafel. I'll do the contexto after I play these last couple songs. 3 more songs, and then we'll do the contexto. I promise. I'll need your help, because you're an expert at contexto.
Let the good times roll. Let them knock you around. Let the good times roll. Let them make you a clown. Let them leave you up in the air. Let them brush you rock and roll. And let the good times roll. Let the good times roll. Let the good times Let the stories be told. Let them say what they want. Let the photos be old. Let them show what they want. Let them leave you up in the air. Let them brush you rock and roll. Let the good times roll. Let the good times roll. Won't you let the good times roll? Good times If the illusion is real, let them give you a ride. If they got thunder appeal, let them be on your side. Let them leave you up in the air. Let them brush you rock and roll. Let the good times roll. Won't you let the good times roll? Let the good times roll. Let the good times roll. Won't you let the good times roll? Well, let the good times roll. Let it roll. Good times roll. Let the 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 good times roll. Let it roll.
Damn. Woo! Okay, 2 more songs. I'm gonna do Ramble On first, actually. And we'll end with Over the Hills. Oh my god.
Leaves are falling all around. Time I was on my way. Thanks to you, I'm much obliged. Such a doesn't stay. But now it's time for me to go. The autumn moonlight's my way. But now I smell the rain, and with it pain, and it's heading my way. Sometimes I grow so tired, but I know about one thing I got to do. I ramble on. And now the time is now. Sing my song. I'm going round the world. I gotta find my girl on my way. I've been this way 10 years till the day. Ramble on.
Welcome back, Spicy.
Got no time for spinning.
Ah,
Time has come to be gone.
I'm not comfortable anymore. I messed up my sitting position somehow, and now it doesn't feel right anymore.
It's time to ramble on.
What did you have? Good question. Falafel.
Ramble on. And now the time is now. Sing my song. I'm going round the world. I gotta find my girl on my way.
Ooh, veggies from the garden. Fancy.
Ramble on. I gotta find the queen
Fresh.
of all my dreams. I tell you no lie. There's a tale that can't be told.
Oh, I just paid attention.
My freedom I hold dear. How years ago, in days of old, when magic filled the air, just in the darkest depths of Mordor, I met a girl so fair. But Gollum, at the evil wall, crept up and slipped away with her, yeah. And ain't nothing I can do now. I guess I'll keep on rambling. I'm gonna sing my song. I gotta find my baby. I'm gonna ramble on, sing my song, gonna work my way around the world, baby. Ramble on, yeah. Do, my baby. Ramble on, baby. Do. I guess I do need it in my heart every time I think I got the ball. I gotta keep searching for my baby. I gotta keep searching for my baby.
At the moment, you have starling pumpkin and corn, but our spinach and lettuce is popping off. Cucumbers are doing okay as well. Wow, that's so cool. Gardening is so fun. No, Spicy does not live in Canada. Spicy does not live in Canada. You can grow a lot of those things in Canada, though. All of it, actually, probably. You can grow in Canada. Alright, one more song. Doubt. You literally can. You can grow pumpkin and corn, 100%. And lettuce, for sure. And you can also grow zucchini, so I'm assuming you can grow cucumbers as well. I don't know how different they could be. Alright, final song, and then we'll do the contexto, and then I am out of here. So get your thinking caps on, ready for the contexto. god. Help!
Hey lady, got the love I need. Maybe more than enough. Oh, darling, 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 walk a while with me. Oh, you got so much, so much, so much.
Many times been bitter, many times I've gazed along the open road. Many times I've lied, many times I've listened, many times I've wondered how much there is to know. Many dreams come true, and sometimes silver linings. I live for my dream and a pocket full of gold. Is a lion, knows what he's been missing. Many man can see the open road. Many is a word that only leaves you guessing. Guess you found a thing you really ought to know. Really ought to know. I really ought to
Wow. Oh. Woo! We did it! Wow, that was like one of the longest I feel I've ever played Clone Hero on stream. That was a while. I mean, I'm sure I've done long ones before, but... Yay! My hand is sore now. Alright, Contexto, and then it is bed time for me. Ready, everybody? I guess I can change the game. Since we were in the wrong category for so long. Oh, and I guess I can get some music on as well. Alright. What do we got? Cat. Pineapple. I spelled pineapple wrong. tree, space, water, ocean, brain, human. I'm just popping off for a sec. Earth. Me. You. Okay, that doesn't work. Too common. Newspaper. Printer. Moist. Interesting. We're not doing too good so far. Shirt. News. Phone. Computer. Fish. Fish was good! Wait, fish was good. Not the meme. Fin. I did shark, whale. What if it's like fish in a food sense? Okay, I don't think so. Eel, squid. I don't think goldfish is a word. Oh, it is. Just kidding. I tried ocean. Boat. Net. Fishing. Fishermen. Ooh. Hunt. Catch. Catch! Hook! Oh, sorry guys. That went so quick. Sometimes it happens fast. Sometimes it happens really fast. Well, that's okay. I'm not mad that it happened quick because it's almost 11, so I gotta get out of here. Thank you everybody. Well, this was a great time. Everybody, I won't be around for a bit. This is my last stream for a bit because my parents are arriving in 2 days and then I'll be with them. But I might come and do some random Kirby fishing streams. So they won't be scheduled, but if I go live at any point in the next week, it's gonna be Kirby fishing, basically. And then I'll be back after that. So yeah, sorry everybody. Sorry for leaving. I'm sad to leave. I feel like streams have been so fun lately. Like, it's been like such a good time. So I'm kind of sad, but I'm excited to spend time with my parents because I don't get to see them that much. So anyways, yeah, don't forget about me. I'll let everybody know in Discord what happens with my Switch pre-order. So keep an eye out in the Discord if you want to know what happens with my Switch pre-order. I will do my best to pre-order my Switch. I'll have to let everybody know. Honestly, if I get up tomorrow and Best Buy doesn't work out, and then GameStop in line also doesn't work out, I'm going to GameStop at lunch. Like, I need to have a Switch pre-ordered one way or another, so I'll have to let everybody know and keep everybody updated. Anyways, that's all from me. We'll raid Icy. He's playing Clone Hero, so go on in and say hi to Icy, and he'll probably raid out pretty soon as well. But anyways, thanks Falafel, Spicy, Dinger, everybody who's hung out. It's been a good time. Anybody who's lurking, thanks. It's a good time. Anyways, have a great week, everybody. I'll try to maybe update if I'm gonna be doing a Kirby stream, but it will be like not known to me. Like, it'll just be like if I have a random moment, basically. Oh, thanks Jimmy. Thanks for reminding me, Falafel. So yeah, we'll see. And either way, even if I don't stream, I'll try to grind us some coins so that 2 Tuesdays from now, I can attempt the Kirby stuff again. But anyways, alright. Have a good night, everybody. Have a good week. I'll miss you all. See you later. Don't forget about me. I'll see you later. Bye.
Exhausted.